At the back of the engine, you'll notice the oxygen sensor, the upstream one. That's what we're replacing. So I'm going to get my socket onto the sensor. You have multiple types of O2 sensor sockets. This is just the one I have. I'm going to put my ratchet on it, make sure the socket is seated all the way, and now try to break it free. There we go. It broke free. This isn't too rusty of a vehicle, so we're lucky that it did break free. A lot of times these get seized up in here. Now I'm going to try to resituate my socket. Actually, I might not even need it. I can probably just turn it by hand at this point. Yep. It's a little stiff because it's rusty on the threads. There it is. Now let's unplug it. Follow the wire, disconnect it from its bracket, the retainer. Now you can see the connector, and flip it over, press this tab, pull this out, and there's your old oxygen sensor. Grab your new O2 sensor, and I like to start it into the threads first. That way, as I twist it, the wire doesn't get wrapped up around itself. And now you just want to thread it in. All right, that's bottomed out. Let's tighten it up. Okay, put your tool on. Let's get the ratchet on there, and we'll just give it a nice, good snug. Hitting the heat shield, so let's reset the tool. All right, nice and tight. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and plug it in. Grab the connector, plug it in, and now we'll just reattach it where it needs to get reattached on this bracket. It's pretty hard to see. Trying to feel for the holes. There we go. Snap it back into place. And we have a little bit of extra wire here, so I'm just going to attach it to this coolant hose. That way it stays nice and secure. Okay, grab the wire. The reason I'm doing this is just so that I can stay away from the exhaust manifold if it ever starts to droop down over time from the heat. And obviously you don't want the wire to get burnt up. So tie it up here, cut off the excess wire tie, and now turn on your car, make sure it runs well and has no check engine lights.